So in this video I'll try to explain about scopes in Java, and here we'll use X for all the methods, method, spiel, and so on, many more things. Like in class also we're using X. So let me create, no, at first I'm trying to explain about the scope check. Scope, let me try to write class name as scope check, and here I'm pressing a simple private var equals to 0. So this would be int, and I'm passing next public int public var equals to 0. So here let me create a constructor of just okay, public scope check. I'm creating a constructor with empty parameters, and I'm starting here constructor with empty parameter is called class. So let me type some methods. Let me type the method name as times table or times 2. We're doing times 2. Here we're doing multiple times. So here again I'm defining a private var equals to 2, since we're doing private 2. So for we are taking int var, since we are taking multiple of 2, this means we are taking multiple of 2. You'll see this nice. We are doing the method name is times 2. Since it's time to, we are passing 2 var as local variable private var, and remember that this private var and this private var are completely different. So this doesn't have any relationship with this field, and this is simply a local variable, and this is a field. So, and for I equals to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. So let us do as out. I'm doing I into private var. So let me make this more compatible for everyone. The table. Let me get this I first. Times 2 is, and then class. So we made this times 2 table. Let us go deep into inner class as well. So scope of, suppose I'm writing I inside the scope, and I'm trying to print I here. So this I cannot be printed because I is defined only under this scope, and it cannot be used. Once the program runs, it gets terminated and I will be disappeared. So we cannot print that I here. So this is called scope in Java. So let me define a inner class, a private public class, inner class. So inner class, we again have private var. This time I'm giving 3. So private var of type int, and we even do have a constructor of private var, but we don't have any parameters inside this private var, and we'd rather don't have this. So here we are pressing second. No, let me type inner class constructor with no parameter is called, or just called, and then we are again defining the same times 2. So let me copy this and paste here. So in this time we even can use same private var. See? there is no effect. This doesn't have, I just want to show this private var doesn't have any relationship with this private var, and this private field private var doesn't have any relationship with this. So this is how this is all about scopes. And let me go with one cute example of scopes right now. So let me delete this at first, and then I will let me go with this again. Here we'll use x for all the methods. Okay, so x, so this is x, so private int x, so we have a constructor alt inst ups constructor, we have a constructor, again we have a public void x, we're using x for everything. So this x, let's create a from int method, like this also doing the same multiplication. I is less than 11 means it's doing up to 10 multiplication, and we're doing I into x class. So let us in the main method make a scanner so that user can input any number and find its multiplication. It may be helpful for some child, but it's a program, right? So let's make integer any number into the number or into the number, right? So let's call x equals to new x. So class, you have int x, right? So remember, we have int x, but we don't know the value of int x, and it comes from scanner. X value of x will come from scanner, so we are doing scanner that next int class. Now we're calling x and method x. So let's check whether this method works or not, whether these things. So I'm just trying to find the multiplication of 3 until 10 class 0 3 6 9 class. Yes, okay. So let's modify this, and actually we don't need to type this here as well. We can include this in here. Let's include scanner, and then inside this we are doing next int. So then we don't need this to do here. We can write s out in constructor then number, and in here we have not created a new scanner yet, so we have to create a new scanner. Same that in class. So let's find if this works or not. Yes, it works, right? So that's all guys about classes, about inner classes. No, I have used inner classes as well here, and it's all about basically about scopes in Java and how we use the same x in class x, but these all are different. These all differ from each other. That's all. Thank you.